Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are going to learn about heredity variations. Okay, who has not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and watch the videos completely. Okay, let us start. What is heredity? The transfer of characters or the traits from the parents to the offspring is called as what? Heredity. It means the transfer of the characters or the traits which are transferred from the parents during the reproduction process. Means the characters which are similar to the parents, that characters are transferred to the offsprings. Offsprings are nothing but the newborn baby. So these are called as what? It is called as heredity. Okay, what is variation? Now the difference between the characters or the traits among the individuals of the same species are called as variation. Among the same species, what it will show? It will show some amount of variations, which means the differences between the characters or the traits among the individuals of the same species. Same species are having what? Different characteristics. So it is called as what? Variations. Okay, now let us learn accumulation of variations during reproduction. Means during the time of reproduction, how the variations accumulate inside the organism. Okay, when organisms reproduce, what happens? The offsprings show minor variations due to inaccuracies in the DNA copying. These variations are less in asexual reproduction and more in sexual reproduction. Okay, inside the asexual reproduction, what happens? There will be inaccuracies in the DNA copying, so the organisms will show what? Some amount of variations. But in asexual reproduction, what happens? There is a less amount of variations takes place inside the organisms. Okay, some variations are useful variations and they help in the organisms to adjust to the changes in the environment. Okay, what happens here is some organisms which show variations, they are having the ability to adapt to the different environmental conditions. Some variations do not help in the organisms to adjust to the changes in the environment and they may die to become extinct. Okay, what happens here? The organisms which show variations, they have, some organisms will be having a ability to adapt to the different environmental conditions, but the other organisms which show the different variations, they are not having the capability to adapt for the different condition. In that cases, what happens? They may die or they may become what? Extinct. Okay, rules for inheritance of the characters. Okay, characters are transferred through the genes present in the DNA molecule in the chromosomes present in the nucleus of the cell. Okay, where the chromosomes are present inside the nucleus of the cell. The inheritance of characters is due to the fact that both the father and mother contributes equal amount of genetic material to the child. Okay, what happens here is during the time of reproduction, the father and mother contributes the equal amount of the genetic material to the child. So the child will show the similar characters which is having for the father and the mother. So for each trait there are two factors, one from the father and one from the mother. Okay, the trait is nothing but the characters which get transferred from the father and the mother. Gregor John Mendel conducted experiments with the garden pea plant and determined the rule for the inheritance of the traits. Okay, here is the scientist name called as Gregor John Mendel. He is also known as the father of the genetics, who conducted different kind of experiments with the green pea plant and determined the rules for the inheritance of the traits. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching the video. Who has not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel.